Morning, everyone. I'm Kristen Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with your market minute for Wednesday, June 18th. Brief housekeeping note. Tomorrow is Juneteenth, and the markets will be closed. So we will not have a market minute tomorrow, June 19th. But let's take a quick look at what markets are doing today. Now, markets are in the green today, and that is despite the fact that Iran's Ayatollah Khomeini has a threatened all-out war if the United States gets involved in the conflict between Israel and Iran. Now, over the last couple of days, we've been taking a close watch at oil, whose prices have been spiking and then retreating as these tensions have continued to ratchet up higher and higher. Today, however, we are seeing oil in the red, down over 1.5% right now, as traders are really backing away from this oil trade despite those geopolitical risks. Interestingly as well, we are seeing silver in the red, down almost 1% today. Again, investors are really looking past what's happening in the Middle East right now, past some of these safe haven assets when it comes to silver and also gold. Today is a Fed decision day. Now, taking a look at the CME Fed Watch tool, 99.9% that markets right now believe that there is a chance that the Fed is going to hold rates steady. There will be no cut, to President Trump's chagrin. Let's take a look at TLT, the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF. It is in the green, up about 1/3 of a percentage point, as we are seeing bond yields come down ever so slightly again, as investors are becoming more and more interested in fixed income. Despite what we are seeing on a safe haven asset for silver and gold, we are still seeing some interest in some of these treasury bond ETFs. Again, those yields are expected to remain, the interest rates are expected to remain steady. Let's take a look, however, at something that is doing quite well, and that's aerospace and defense ETFs as the Iran and Israeli conflict continues to rage on. Let's first take a look at ITA, the iShares US Aerospace and Defense ETF. It is in the green, up over 0.5 of a percentage point. And be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to ETF.com as we keep you updated on the Fed decision, what's happening in the Middle East, and how it's going to be impacting markets, and of course, as always, your investor portfolio.